Hello everyone! Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, ibabahagi ko po sa inyo kung paano yung pinakamadaling paraan para makakuha ng PSA birth certificate through online application and door-to-door delivery. Ayan, di ba? Iwas hassle, iwas traffic, iwas pamasahe, iwas pagod, makakasave ka pa ng oras mo, makakasave ng pera, at saka ng snacks. Ayan, kapag ready na kayo, ayan, simulan na natin. But don't forget to click the subscribe button para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Panoorin niyo po mula simula hanggang sa katapusan para ma-share niyo rin po sa mga friendships ninyo at makasave din sila ng oras. Lalo na kung wala silang panahon na pumunta pa sa PSA. Ayan, eto through online lang. Tuturuan ko po kayo at take note, 100% legit po ito kasi based po ito sa aking experience. Okay, let's go. Punta lamang tayo sa ating Google. I-search natin yung psahelpline.ph. Pagka-click natin ito, ayan, ito na po yung lalabas. Yan, PSA Birth Certificate, Online Application, and Delivery. Ayan, i-click natin yung Order Now. And then, after nyan, yan, choose certificate type. Halimbawa, kung anong gusto nyo kunin, birth certificate, marriage, xenomar, or death. Pero ako, birth certificate ang aking kukunin. And then, i-click natin tong check, yung dalawang check. I accept the terms and conditions. I consent to the processing of my personal data in accordance with the data. And then, this document using false information, take note, dapat ang lalagay natin dito, information ay yung tama lang kasi PSA birth certificate po ito. Diba? And then, are you requesting for your own certificate of live birth or for someone else? Siyempre ako, my own birth certificate. Then, continue. Ayan, ito na. Meron po tayong hanggang step 7. Ayan, continue lang natin yan. And then, dito tayo sa step 1, your name, sex, and birthday. Yan, kung female ka, your first name, your middle name, your last name. And take note, please check bago po tayo mag-click before you think before you click para hindi po tayo magkamali. And then, yan, your month of birthday, year, and then select natin kung anong meron kang ID. Halimbawa, let's say ako, SSS ID. And then, yan, double check mo yung pangalan na ilagay mo. And then, continue. And dito na tayo sa step 3, which is yung for your father's name. Kung wala kang father sa live birth mo, i-click mo to. Pero kung meron ka namang father sa birth certificate mo, so skip mo na lang ito. Ilagay mo yung father's first name, middle name, and last name. Continue. And then, dito na tayo sa step 4, yung mother's name. Take note, yung mother's name, ito po yung apelyido o pangalan ng nanay mo nung dalaga pa siya. Okay? Yan ang ilalagay natin. Alam naman natin ito, yung, kung ano yung pangalan ng magulang natin nung dalaga pa siya. Okay? Continue. And then, dito sa birthplace, yan, your country, sa pinanganak, province, and municipality. Then, continue. Step 6 is yung the purpose of your request. Siyempre ako, school requirement. Depende po sa inyo kung anong kailangan ninyo, kung para saan siya. And then, click continue. And then, step 7, yung your delivery address and contact information. Ilagay po natin dito yung recipient, yung tatanggap. And then, house number, yan, yung address, building name. And then, yung delivery province, municipality, barangay, zip code, mobile number, and importante sa lahat yung email address. Kasi after natin ma-fill upan ito, tapos makapagbayad na tayo, makaka-receive po tayo ng email sa kanila. And continue. And then, 1 copy, 365 pesos po yung bayad. Mas okay na ho ito kasi less sa pamasahe, less sa pagkain, less sa traffic. O, di ba? Iwas hassle. Pero gusto mo naman ang 2 copies, syempre, double ang bayad. Yan. And then, are you personally the one who will receive? And I am the one who will receive. Yan. I-click mo lang to. And then, I confirm. And then, continue. Okay? And then, ayan, yung GCash. Halimbawa ako, GCash number ang aking babayaran. Yung mode of payment ko is through GCash. I-click ko lang tong GCash. And then, yan, pay using GCash. I-click mo tong pay using GCash. And then, yan, directly ka na mapuproceed sa iyong GCash. Alam mo naman, sa GCash, kailangan ng authentication code para makapag-proceed sa payment. And then, after paying, your GCash payment was successful. Ayan, ito po yung show delivery reminders. Yan, mga delivery reminders po yan. And then, ganun lang po siya kasimple. Di ba? Napakadali po. And thank you for watching. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung video na ito. At i-share niyo po sa inyong mga friendship. Okay, bye-bye. And God bless all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video. Bye-bye. Mabuhay!